Filming an intro is so weird. This is weird.
Tear yourself apart to entertain like just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like would you use your water bill to try to stain like me?
Welcome to my channel. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be sharing, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. In today's video, we're making treats, but healthy treats. But I have a lot more saved, so if this was something you enjoyed, then please let me know, and I can totally make another one. Thanks for watching. Boom, boom. Coconut oil, coconut flour, coconut milk, coconut flakes. Room temperature. My nails. You can't really see them. Dos. This.
Believe that there is greatness inside all of us. Best believe what you believe is what you will become. That what ain't given is what you give out gets returned.
It looks kind of like mashed potatoes. Now I'm gonna add some chocolate.
There's still hope in the world if we just come together. Unify and don't divide. Strength in numbers, love each other. That's where our true power lies. I believe in love. Message from.
Hi guys, it's me. Okay, so this was recipe number 1. She was a little dry, but that was my fault. The lady specifically said don't overbake, but I did, so they didn't come out as like, yeah, that looks really nice, and mine don't look like that. But moving on to recipe number 2, these ones smack. Wow, that's so lovely. If you're thinking like, ew, sweet potato, what the fuck? Girl, you crazy. Don't worry. The sweet potato just makes it fudgy and soft and delicious, so don't knock it till you try it. I think I undercooked them a little bit, but I prefer them that way. They came out really good. I'd give them an 8 out of 10. Sweet potato brownie muffins, honey. Hello. Healthy recipe number 3, and my absolute favorite. If you try one thing from this video, try this cookie dough. And I should add that I took the skins off the little beans. I don't know how different it would be, but I don't think the texture would be as smooth if you don't take the time to take them off. So just take them off after you rinse your beans. Wow. This is what we're looking like. Hello in there. I'm just gonna put this into a bowl and then add my chocolate chips. There we are, gorgeous. I know chickpeas are really good for you. They're high in protein, so this is a very healthy little snack. Hopefully it tastes good. Trying to get the most for our money, you know? Let's make sure we get every last little drop. Alright, that's gonna have to do. Almost got it all. She's looking alright. Not bad. I'm gonna throw this in the freezer and then we will see in a while. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's see. Ooh, that actually came out really good. Really good. I give this one a 9. Good stuff. Yes. This next one was indeed a fail. I wasn't sure if I should include it, but you know, we're just gonna throw it in there. It was supposed to be a super simple ice cream, but that was not the case. Oh, wow. Wow, did you guys see that? Fell right in. Well, hello, really? Oh, really? All right, blend, baby. Once you blend it, you're supposed to pulse a chocolate bar, but my chocolate pieces were already broken up, so I was like, nah, I don't gotta do that. I'm just gonna throw this in there, throw it in the freezer. I don't think I need to blend this again. Did my decision to not pulse the chocolate bar affect this recipe? You know, I don't think so. I think this is just a mess up recipe to begin with. Throw this baby in the freezer and we'll see if it's any good.
A few moments later.
This is not going so well.
Honestly, not sure what I did wrong. I don't know if maybe you're supposed to use full fat coconut milk instead of coconut milk out the box. But she didn't specify, so oh well. Not a fan. 0 out of 10. Oh, 1 out of 10 recommend. And last but not least, we've got some applesauce brownies. They don't look so great. I will show you where it went wrong. But these could have been great, and I will probably make them again.
Smells good. 86%. She's healthy, okay? These are some healthy brownies. Oh, girl. Chocolatey goodness.
All right, this is the moment where everything went wrong. No, I'm just kidding. But I went and added this PB Fit on top. Powdered peanut butter. Yep, there she is. Oh, look, like I make it look so nice. It looks so pretty. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Oh yeah, there we go. See? Looks nice, but once it came out the oven, it was like the top layer that had the peanut butter wasn't good, but underneath was nice. So I gave it a bad rating, but I think I'm the one who sabotaged them. I just got to redo it without the powdered peanut butter, and then they'll probably be a 7. Much better. Look at my face, so dramatic. Like, girl, you did that. And that was it, guys. All the recipes will be linked in the description. Let me know if you like this. Let me know if you want to see more. I have a lot more. All right, bye.